And I don't have a tent. Worst case scenario, pouring down rain in the middle of the night, I'm just gonna get up and ride, turn the lights on, and just get going. Nice spot. Nice spot. I camped here once upon a time. Like right over there, like right off the trail. Years ago. Maybe 2018 I biked up here. Maybe I camped actually right here. Really nice section of trail here. You definitely see some flood damage. Everything's pushed down. I'm kind of surprised this survived, but yeah, there's like mud on the boardwalk here. Wow, it's crazy. Really interested to see what Montpelier is looking like. Yeah, this is all flooded, man. Ooh, got some mud up there. And lots of skeeters. Yeah, it might rain tonight, I don't know. I'm gonna try to get somewhere, get under something. And I don't have a tent. A bunch of fish in there. Worst case scenario, pouring down rain in the middle of the night, I'm just gonna get up and ride, turn the lights on, and just get going. So, not too worried about it. But man, this is cool. back on the road. Great time of the night. Psh, forget it. Alright, and that's it. Crossing over the Appalachian Trail and the Long Trail in Vermont. I always bump into this sucker. I love stopping and seeing it. Gosh, 19 years ago I came walking through. That's crazy. Always a good stop. Always a good stop here. Here we go. Still rolling on Route 2, everybody. Cruising right along here. We had some rain here, everybody. It's a cold rain too, man. Holy hell. It just started downpouring. I just passed this little driveway here or whatever it is and swung back around. I'm gonna throw my coat on. Maybe even the pants, I don't know. It's pretty cold. I am not 100% sure where I'm going tonight, where I'm sleeping. I am just outside of Waterbury, Vermont here, so hopefully they have a bridge on the Winooski River, which is the river that overflowed, that did all the flooding up here in Vermont, that flooded Montpelier and all these other towns. But I don't know, it might pass. There's enough cover here. Maybe I'll just hang out for a minute and we'll see what happens. I think that's Mount Killington, or Killington Peak. That is a cold rain, man. I need a shower anyway. Well, made it to Waterbury. Not a whole lot going on here. I mean, downtown was kind of hustling, but I'm about smoked for the day. I don't know. I might just be trying to find a place to sleep for tonight. Not too much to it. I'm not even sure how far off of Montpelier I am, or if I'm gonna keep going that far, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, everybody, I'm sure you can't see me, but yeah, this is a pretty rough stealth. This is a pretty rough stealth camp. I'm in Waterbury. I'm in Waterbury, Vermont. I just really couldn't come up with anything. All the hotel rooms are booked, and so I'm just basically underneath a bridge, and there's really not a flat spot here for me. But anyway, oh shit, just just making it do. You know, it's thundering and lightning pretty well, pretty seriously. I was gonna make the jump to Montpelier, but even then, like, those hotel rooms are fully stocked, fully booked for the weekend. Poor planning or whatever, just kind of winging it. And this is kind of goofy. It's no doubt gonna be some rough sleep, but I don't know. I'll figure it out. Excellent sleep. And free for me. I gotta get out of here. Day 7, on to Montpelier. And then I think I'm just gonna head home. I've had enough. That was cool. But I guess I'm just gonna get packed up and go get some coffee across the street. There's a gas station, but I don't think they're open yet. There's one further into town. Going out of Waterbury. And this is the Winooski River I'm camping on. This is the river that flooded all of Vermont like a couple weeks ago, or the river that flooded Montpelier really bad. But I don't know, it was cool to me, son.
That was free, excellent sleep. Poured down rain, like, I wouldn't say all night, but there were like some heavy downpours, and it's just awesome to be laying out here in a dry spot where the rain was just pouring down. Anyway, back on the road, Jack.
Yo! Headed towards Montpelier on the Cross Vermont Trail. Beautiful morning here in Vermont. Loving every minute of it. Some really nice riding up here, man. Already can't wait to get back. But I don't know. I could probably easily have a few more days here in Vermont if I stick to my plan, but things have been changing drastically on this trip, which is super fun. So, excellent sleep last night on the Winooski, and I should be following it. I should be following the Winooski all the way into Montpelier, if not beyond. So, 10 miles up to Montpelier, and we'll see how the day progresses from there. But I don't know. I was thinking about maybe hitting a coffee shop and grabbing a choice cup of coffee this morning. I grabbed one at the gas station, which was pretty good, and some homemade muffins, which have been a theme for the New England trip, and they've all been very, very good. So, hanging tough.